Are you like me and you want to experiment with sous vide, but you're not exactly sure where to start? This kit from Everie is supposed to be a pretty complete kit. Let's get into it, see what it includes, and then let's cook up some steaks. All right, let's see what's inside this kit. The container has a hinged lid. That's pretty darn cool, like that. Let's pop that off so we can see what else it comes with. It comes with some packaging, and it comes with this kit here. And let's see what we got inside the kit. It's got a picture of a steak on it. Ours is going to be even prettier than that when we get done with it. All right, so it has a rack. So these racks are designed to keep your food, in our case, our delicious steaks, kind of separated so the water can circulate around them. I am not going to read the instructions, but I'm going to see if I can assemble this just by eye. Let's see what we got. I only have two pretty big steaks, so let's see. If we unfold these, pop into position like that, and then I guess I could really just put one of these in because I really just need to split it into two. But let me just show to demonstrate. It's totally adjustable. You put these wherever you need them. They just slide right in there like that, and you have these partitions. You then put it inside here, and you could just put it in there like that sideways. You're ready to go there. I'm gonna knock it down to just one partition because I have two steaks to put inside. Let me fill this up with water and let's start cooking. Okay, so we got one Everie container. I guess the first super question is, let's put the lid on it and make sure my big Inkbird unit fits there. This is a big boy here because we like power, more power. Okay. Like it was made for it. Okay, let's plug this in. Okay, we're at 95 degrees, on our way to 122, and then we'll put some steak in. All right, so let me just show you these just to remind you how delicious do these look. Let's put them in, make sure that the vacuum seal works, the sous vide works, the container works, and we have a delicious dinner. This container has a nice seal on it. I have to say I like that. Keeps all the moisture and the heat in. 122 degree water. Steak uno. Fits in nicely, held up by that compartment there. Steak dos. Perfect. That's great. I'd say I could probably even go to 4 steaks in here. 2 is all that Nikki and I need for dinner when they're that size. All right, I'll see you in an hour and a half and we'll see how these come out. All right, I am wrapping this video up for you. My steaks are ready. It's time to take them out and put a good sear on them and enjoy a great dinner. I will tell you, this was absolutely amazing. It totally exceeded my expectations. Honestly, I've tested some other units. They have these cool neoprene covers, which I had kind of fallen in love with. And then I saw this top. And this top for me is an absolute game changer. It is so positive and firm the way it connects, and then it hinges up so I can take a look and see my steaks look really kind of yucky, but I know they're amazing. If you've cooked sous vide before, you'll know the steaks come out kind of gray until you take them and put that beautiful sear on them. So right now they're looking kind of gray, screaming, "Doug, please sear me." If you want to get this, you cannot possibly go wrong with it. It is absolutely amazing for what it is. This is not sponsored, so if you would use that link on the screen or down in the description, helps out the channel. I'm going to say thank you in advance because I really went out on a limb getting a whole bunch of these to try out to master the sous vide thing. So if you don't help me out clicking that a little bit, I'm going to be in trouble with the beautiful Nikki. So please click away down there. I'm always curious about this stuff. Put in the comments, what are you going to be cooking with this? Do you have a plan? What are you going to cook with this? Put that in the comments. I'm really curious to hear about that. If I've added some value, remember to like the video, follow the channel. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.